Hi friends, if Xbox Game Bar suddenly stops working on your Windows PC, don't worry, you're definitely not the only one dealing with this issue right now. For a lot of people, pressing Win plus G suddenly does nothing. Sometimes the Game Bar overlay won't open at all. And in other cases, screen recording just stops working even though everything was fine before. Now here's the interesting part. Most of the time, the problem isn't your hardware or your games. Usually, it's caused by a Windows setting, a broken background process, or a disabled recording feature that's preventing Xbox Game Bar from working correctly. And in this video, I'm going to show you several working solutions that can fix Xbox Game Bar not opening, not recording, not responding, or crashing in Windows 10. So stick around, because one of these fixes will most likely solve the issue on your PC. Now before we try the advanced fixes, let's start with the most important thing first. Sometimes Xbox Game Bar is simply disabled in Windows settings, and many users don't even realize it. So open the Start menu and go to Settings. Inside Settings, click on Gaming. Then on the left side, click Xbox Game Bar. Here you'll see an option that says, Enable Xbox Game Bar for things like recording game clips, chatting with friends, and receiving game invites. Make sure this toggle is turned on. This is extremely important because if this setting is disabled, Xbox Game Bar will not launch when you press Win plus G. Now here's something a lot of Windows users don't know. In full-screen games, Xbox Game Bar doesn't always appear visually on the screen, even when it's actually running correctly in the background. So if the overlay doesn't show up right away, don't immediately assume it's broken. You can still start or stop a recording manually using Windows plus Alt plus R, and your recordings should still save normally inside the default captures folder. But if recording still isn't working or Game Bar continues failing completely, let's move to the next fix because this one solves the issue for a lot of users. One of the best solutions is repairing or resetting the Xbox Game Bar app directly through Windows settings. To do this, open Settings again, then go to Apps. Scroll down until you find Xbox Game Bar in the installed apps list. Click on it, then open Advanced Options. Now scroll down a little and you'll see three important options: Terminate, Repair, and Reset. First, try the Repair option. This allows Windows to repair corrupted Game Bar files without deleting your app data or settings. Wait for the repair process to finish completely. Then test Xbox Game Bar again. If the problem still continues, move on to the Reset option. Resetting the app completely refreshes Xbox Game Bar and restores all default settings. This can fix problems like Game Bar not opening, screen recording not working, audio capture issues, keyboard shortcuts failing, or the overlay randomly crashing. After resetting the app, restart your PC before testing again because some background services may need to reload properly. Now there's another powerful solution that many people never try, but it can completely fix Game Bar issues caused by Windows policies. Open Windows Search and type Edit, then open Edit Group Policy. Now navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting. On the right side, double-click Enables or disables Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting. When the setting opens, make sure it's set to Enabled, then click Apply and OK. If this policy is disabled, Windows can completely block Xbox Game Bar recording features from functioning correctly. After changing this setting, restart your computer one more time and test Game Bar again. For most users, one of these methods should completely solve the issue. And if you found another solution that worked for you, feel free to leave it down in the comments because it could help other viewers fix the same problem faster. Also, if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to TechGetter Official, and turn on notifications for more Windows 10, Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.